floosh cheese song. What did you get? Open up your hee-hee la cassette. Don't worry, parents, it's not a pet. We hope you love your hee-hee la cassette.
Actual hee-hee la cassette do not contain the following: kittens, doggos, or churches.
Hey guys, it's Vincent. I'm going to be standing in for Isaiah for the week because he's out doing camping stuff with his family, I guess. But this week is going to be all science-based, so we're going to be doing a lot of cool activities, like we're going to be making ice cream, Rube Goldberg machines, making rock candy. There's a bunch of stuff that you'll see. But first we're going to be starting off with the ice cream, which I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so the things that you're going to be needing for this are salt, half and half or heavy cream, a bag of ice, and on the recipe we say vanilla extract and sugar, but I'm just going to be using this, which is an easy ice cream mix. But with your ice cream you can add anything you want, like if you want fresh strawberries, chocolate syrup, anything that you want really. Okay, so the first step, you need your bag of ice. You want it about half full. This is just about half, so this is good. So first step. Second, you want to get a smaller bag, like a sandwich bag or a quart bag or whatever it is, and you want to pour your half and half in. Now it's easy to double up this recipe if you want to. You just add double of everything. Okay, next I'm going to seal that up for just a second while I get the strawberry mix started. Where's that? We're going to open that up and pour a little bit in. This makes 2 quarts and this is only 1 cup of milk, so I'm just going to eyeball it. And this is strawberry mix. Okay, after that, you want to make sure that there is no air inside the bag and seal it up. And that part, good to go. Okay, back to the ice. When you're using your salt, you want to use a kosher salt. Oh, that's backwards. You want to use a kosher salt, just because that's what the directions say, I guess. Okay, so you're going to want to put your salt in on top of the ice. And that's to some sort of chemical reaction to make it a lot colder. And then put your half and half with the mix in. And then here's the fun part, the easiest part, and the worst part all at the same time. You have to shake this bag for the next 6 to 10 minutes. Okay, it is going to get cold, so please have some oven mitts ready and available, or a sweatshirt or something, because I promise you this is not a fun feeling. And now it's time for the taste test. And go ahead. Am I going to cheersies this or something?
Cheers.
Oh. I actually really like that.
That's super good.
That strawberry mix is delicious.
Oh
okay,
God,
so
yeah.
8 minutes is good if you like a softer ice cream, but if you want a little bit tougher of one, then yeah, go for as long as you like.
The following resources are available in our community. If you need help with food, you can reach out to the food pantry at 503-879-FOOD. Other resources can be found on this list.
Hee Hee La Cassette productions are filmed in front of a live studio audience.